What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and with the holiday season on the rise, big sales keep slaying its way into our intelligent pocket cellular notification pinging devices, or smartphones. In this video, we're feeling the Bezos in us, and we've culminated our collective Amazon wishlist for this coming Cyber Monday sale, happening November 25 to 27, 2023. Quick disclaimer, the products mentioned on this list are all sorted through the Amazon website or app, and we made sure to keep each product all below 10,000 pesos, so interested buyers can take advantage of Amazon's free shipping and import tax fees. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The first thing on our list is for all you hipsters and wannabe audiophiles wanting to revolt against the growing cage we call digital media. Netflix, Spotify, and all those streaming apps are all cool and all, but having an album or a movie housed in a sleeve or a blue box that you can pick up and set down anywhere in your house at any time, not bound to an internet connection or subscription service, is still, in my opinion, quite novel. But hey, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X BT isn't just a great record player for those who wanna ensue nostalgia while jamming to Taylor's latest Midnight's record. It also features Bluetooth, which I think is neat. For 15,000 pesos, officially available from Audio-Technica Philippines' official online stores, the AT-LP60X BT is pretty much a steal at about 9,900 pesos from Amazon's Cyber Monday sale. Again, no import fees and free shipping for orders below 10,000 pesos. So look at that, you just saved about 6,000 pesos if you were interested in this record player. Eyeing an LG Ultra Gear Full HD 27-inch monitor, the one that features a 165Hz refresh rate, well, it's here on sale up to Cyber Monday. Even though this product is sold through Amazon, based off the product listing, this gaming monitor from LG can plug into a 220-volt wall socket with no problems. Please make sure to check the box or even the unit itself for voltage recommendations before plugging it into a socket. Electronics assembled and manufactured from the States can usually only be plugged into 110-volt sockets here in the Philippines. The LG 27GQ50FB27 is discounted to about 8,000 pesos this Amazon Cyber Monday. Ever heard of Sony's Lake Buds? The non-S versions? If you haven't, these true wireless earbuds are the ones that feature a donut ring for passive ambient sound listening. These are earbuds for those who want to enjoy listening to music in the background while having a conversation or doing errands so they don't impede the user from the outside noise, and hopefully avoid less accidents due to irresponsible audio listening, like while crossing a road or something. Sony's Lake Buds are on sale now till Cyber Monday for about 7,100 pesos in either the black or white variant. Alright, let's dive into some true wireless earbuds that are a lot more budget-friendly and not afraid to get down and dirty. Introducing the JBL Endurance Peak 3. They're art-style earbuds which hook to the top of your earlobe for better support. It features 50 hours of total playback with the included charging case. And it also gets an IP68 dust and water resistance rating and Bluetooth 5.2. The JBL Endurance 3 goes for about 3,900 pesos on Amazon till November 27. Next is this mini projector from Vopulse? VOPLLS? Vopulse? It's a Full HD portable short-throw video projector that features 9,500 lumens of projection light and HDMI. HDMI cable included in the box. With the HDMI port, you can connect your laptop, console, or any streaming device like a Chromecast or Fire Stick to turn this effectively into a smart projector. It even has built-in speakers, but based off the reviews, it won't really knock your socks off. But hey, this projector should be fine for those children's sleepovers and whatnot. The Vopulse mini projector goes for about 3,900 pesos today till Monday. Next, if you're dorming for college, live by yourself, or just can't cook, An air fryer could definitely be your best friend. Anyone can cook almost anything with an air fryer. From processed meats to canned goods, out of the can, of course, to poultry and whatever it is you wanted to deep fry without buying all that oil. That's frozen fries, whether they be Frenched, crinkle cut, or even twisters. I remember this one time I had some friends over and convinced one of them I homemade some French fries in under 20 minutes. The Cossery air fryer comes in multiple sizes and colors, if available, and shouldn't set you guys back more than 8,000 pesos. But this particular one that we're looking at through the link goes for 4,720 pesos and 77 cents till Cyber Monday. The next item on our list is for those who love to grill some barbecue and steak. Introducing the Cusimax Indoor Grill, a 1500-watt electric grill made for Korean barbecue in mind that features a reversible non-stick plate and grill stone. Buyers even get 8 little pans and wooden spatulas to go with them too. It also comes in a myriad of configurations, all below 5,000 pesos. So Mix came up with most of the items on this list, and surprise, surprise, another Nespresso machine. The people here at YugaTech love coffee. I'm a decaf guy myself, so this isn't a big deal. But if you're not like me, you need that caffeine in a glass and not a scooper. The 19-ounce Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso machine with milk frother will set those looking to get this on sale for about 8,900 pesos, depending on what color you get. But if you just want the machine itself without the milk frother, that goes for about 6,959 pesos. Our last two items on this list are from Marshall. With so many counterfeits or knockoffs of their products online, it's sometimes hard to grasp how much these things even actually cost. But hey, we made sure these ones were legit. First up is the Marshall Willen Bluetooth speakers. They're the most affordable wireless speakers from their lineup, and if you're a JBL fan, you could kind of think of it as Marshall's JBL Go speaker, or even their SoundLink Micro for the Bose guys. Apart from being tuned by Marshall themselves, it features an IP67 dust and waterproof rating, a cool function joystick, and of course that classic Marshall aesthetic. Till Cyber Monday, it goes for about 5,500 pesos on Amazon. And finally, we have the Marshall Emberton 2 portable Bluetooth speakers. This guy is the Willen's slightly bigger brother in size and price, but not as big as a Kilbert. It features 360-degree audio and retains that IP67 dust and water resistance rating. It'll definitely go louder than the Willen, but I think what's cool here is the ability to link the devices with another one of them, other manufacturer counterpart Bluetooth speakers. But I think it'd be kinda cool if you and your best friend or partner had one of these too, so you could party your heart out in a park or something. And that concludes our Amazon Cyber Monday wishlist for 2023. Once again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.